Well, hello and welcome back to a Kooky Corner of YouTube, and it's that time of the month again. In fact, it's a little later than that time of the month because I missed the part where this arrived. I was not here, and now I am. So we're going to unbox this and have a look at what we've got. I've tried to avoid as many spoilers as I possibly can. So if I've not watched your video, it means that I've been trying to avoid the content so it can be a surprise. So let me take you up a little bit further. I've got messy desk syndrome again going on here. There we go. Okay, so have managed to remove the address bit. So let's, come on, all in one, yeah. Johnny, you should be proud. Managed to take it off in one. Ooh, okay. Let's open it up. Ooh, interesting. Ooh, let's take out this bit. I'm not getting clues. Ooh, there's the artwork. Kind of getting a bit of clues going on now. Maybe this could be anything actually. Ooh, okay. Oh, Bristol board. Bristol board sketch tile. Oh, interesting. Well, that's the surface we're going to be working on. I'll have a little look at that in a minute. Let's take it out of the box and remove the box. Okay, so try and take the sticker off without ripping the tissue paper. I don't know why I'm so worried. Oh, interesting. Aha! Okay, so this month's box challenge is feminine energy. Excellent. And take inspiration from featured artists. We encourage you to explore working this soft colour palette and channeling Mother Nature into your delicate artworks. Interesting. There's a sticker that is from the artwork. So just a little smaller version of the artwork there. Very cool. I'm not going to look on the back of that because the back of that will tell me all the different things that I want to discover, but I've kind of seen them anyway. And I've got a sour apple refreshers. Lucy, fancy that? Hand it over. I've got a partner in crime with me today in the studio who's working in the background making a costume. So if you hear any snipping noises, it's not me, I promise. Okay, so I've got some of these Copic markers, these are Copic chows. So let's have a look at the colours. We have got Spectrum Green. We have got Mallow, which is like a mauvey purple. And we have got a Brick Beige. Not sure whether we've got any of those. Have we got any of those? Brick Beige, Mallow, Spectrum Green. Haha! So according to my sources, we have Brick Beige, but we have run out of Brick Beige. So that's a very, very good replacement. Yes. Spectrum Green. Do we have that one? Oh, we're doing well then. And the other one is Mallow. Haven't got that one, so that's a new one. Okay, cool. The other thing I've got is a pigment liner. My favourite one, or one of my favourite ones. One is Uni Pin, and this one is the Statler one, and it's in the 0.8. Lucy. Lucy likes the finer lines. I'm all for these big thick beauties. Let's have a look at the tip of it. Yeah, there's a nice chunky tip on that one. Getting disapproving huffs from the other side of the room. And we have got a dough and graphic pencil in 2H. So obviously that's for sketching with, I would imagine. Okay. So that's our Scrawlr box supplies for this month. And let's have a look at the supply box. So Copic Chow markers, a recommended retail price of $5.49 each. Yeah, Copic markers are great. They're alcohol marker, using for graphic work. And we have already got 2 of those, which have run out, and 1 that we've not got. So that's a good start. A pigment liner, which I like and Lucy hates. Derwent sketching pencil in a 2H. Good for quick freestyle sketches. I'm not an H pencil fan, I have to say. I quite like the B side of the pencils, but I would imagine that it's better for more precise line work, which is what it says here. Now I'm quite curious about this Bristol board sketch tile. Okay, so it is just Bristol board, but in a square shape. Interesting. I do like to work in squares and circles, so that's good. It's not over thick, but it's probably good for the markers to go on. We'll test them out in a minute and see. Let's put that to one side. So the artwork this month is from Katrina Young, who is an Australian fine artist and illustrator. Her artwork spans many mediums and themes, but at its heart, Kat's work aims to tell a story. There's a bit more about her there, and also there at the bottom is her socials. If I can hold that up, I've got a bit of sun coming through my window at the minute. Hopefully you can see that. Then we have the coffee moment where I sit down with a cup of coffee and look at Scrawlr zine. This is the hashtag 091 box. I'm liking this. It's building up to the 100, isn't it? So we've got the juicy blends. Interesting. Yes, so those are the Copic Chows. They've got a brush tip and a bullet nib, yes, as usual. So that's the wait a minute. Brush nib. I don't. That is not a bullet nib. That is what do they call that, Lou? And it's not a bullet nib. Chisel. That's the one. Chisel tip. So that's not a bullet nib. So that's a chisel tip. So that is not correct. And then we have a brush nib on the other side. It's the one I generally use unless I'm blocking out backgrounds, in which case I'd probably use a chisel part of that. Bleed proof liner, that's a pigment liner. I like that. Apparently you can leave the cap off these for 12 hours and it still work nicely, but I wouldn't want to take a chance with this. I'd probably get it everywhere, to be fair. Mix it up, not just for sketching. So this is the Derwent sketching graphic pencil. Oh, interesting. It says sketching on the one in the book and graphic on the one that I've got. Well, okay, presumably it's the same. Not just for sketching, try layering your graphite pencil on top to add texture and definition. Oh, okay, I get that, yeah, that makes sense. And the light surface Bristol board is ideal paper for gliding those Copics across a page, yes. So we have an interview with Katrina Young, who is a featured artist. We have Scrawlr tips. That's nice. Things to try out. Create new tints, so layering them on top of each other to try different colours. That's interesting. We've got the artist's advice, and we have got some feather blending, how to get a smooth blend, correcting mistakes, preventing streakiness. Interesting. And there's also a little QR code on the bottom of there where you can scan that in and then go and watch the artist in action. Oh, Scrawlr gallery. Oh my goodness, I'm in it. I made it to the Scrawlr gallery, yeah. So that was my piece for the hashtag 089 Scrawlr box. So I did not realise that I was in this magazine, and that was a shock. So there I am. Let's see who else we've got in here. We've got Lucy Locks. I know. Any other names that stick out? No, but I am in there. Interesting. Some really nice artwork with those. It was, I have to say, those pencils were a little bit of hard work, but we all seem to manage to have got something that's worth looking at. So that's quite good. Yes, I just had to take a minute because I'm so surprised and I didn't realise I was in there. And yes, that you might have seen that in a video of mine previously where I have done this for a Scrawlr challenge as a video way back. And also it was there was a concertina book in there. That's the one that I based all my journal covers around, and then decided to fill the whole concertina book with different foods based upon songs. So yeah, we'll be going through that at some point anyway. It's a nice surprise. Okay, Scrawlr top 3. Keris Clark. Beautiful. I love that. Vulture. Yes, we all love a good vulture. There's Jax. With some pizza. Yeah. And Daniel Fraser. This looks awesome. Ben & Jerry's birthday cake ice cream. Who doesn't like a bit of Ben & Jerry's? Scrawlr Extra is Icons and Eyebrows. Obviously, one of my favourite artists of all time, Frida Kahlo. I'm looking at a piece of work that I'm doing for myself at the minute, and it's kind of a bit Frida-y. Bit Frida-y, is that a word? It is now. So yeah, I'm going to have a good read through of that. I'll have a look at the hints and tips, and this video is just the unboxing, and there will be a video of me creating a piece of artwork from this at some point. So watch this space is what I'm going to say. Don't forget, if you like the content on my channel, please consider subscribing is what I'm thinking. So that would be a really big help to the channel, and it would also let you know when I upload a new video for you to watch. So it's a double fold. And also, if you like this video, show me your thumbs. Show me those thumbs. It's a nice little song for you of an Easter Friday. Hope you enjoy Good Friday, Easter Monday, Easter Sunday, Good Friday. What am I like? Okay, have a really good day. Have a fabulous holiday wherever you are. If you do get the day off, some people don't. If you don't, here's a heartfelt heart for you. Let's do a heart. There we go. Ooh, my fingers won't do a heart. There we go. Could do a live long and prosper. Have a great day. Bye for now.